welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be refreshing my knotless braids. I literally have had these in for 2-3 weeks, I would say. So now I want to refresh them. Now normally I don't refresh them, but Bay said he liked the braids, and so I wanted to keep them in anyway because I do have things to do and I don't want to do my hair. Yeah, we're just gonna hop right into it. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do the entire process of getting rid of all this frizz. Like, I really hate when my hair gets like this, where you can see it's frizzy up here, but like the bottom is super nice. I don't know. It makes it look super fake then, and I don't nobody want frizz. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, and also making sure that your hair is moisturized, but you're not leaving like cakey stuff on your hair, because you don't want to do that. You don't want to put nothing cakey, no like thick conditioner, no deep conditioner. Like, sis, no, we're not doing that. You do that when you wash your hair, when you can really get in there, because you don't want to leave stuff in there like that, any like super heavy products. But let's get right into this video. So I'm going to be starting out with this ginger and moringa tea rinse. Now what we're doing, because I have had these braids in, I haven't washed my hair every week, I need to clean my scalp. So that's what we're going to focus on first. This is basically going to be my Prepoo, but I really wanted to try this out because of how the nozzle is, and I feel like it'll be nice and easy to go ahead and apply this. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this on my hair. Actually, like I said, I ain't used it before, but it's just like a little rinse. So I'm just going to part my hair off, and I'm just going to really get in there. But I really like stuff like this because even if you didn't want to completely like rewash and redo your hair, you could just do this step. I'm just going to go in and spray my scalp and start breaking that stuff up. Any dirt. I've actually been to Cuba, and the water over there just ain't really good. And I rinsed out my hair after I went in their pool, but I haven't really washed it. So this is well needed. Like, I need to do this. But I do like how it comes out. It comes out really nice. It don't smell that good, but with the ingredients it had in it, I ain't really think it would smell good. And I think this is by Slay. Yes, this is by Slay, and I have their information below. It smells kind of like apple cider vinegar, but you can smell other earthy ingredients as well. But it ain't messy, I'll tell you that. It's not messy. It get right where it needs to go. Woo! This stuff is potent. Ooh, child, don't do too much. Ooh, don't do too much. Ooh, child, about to die. Well, that escalated quickly. I'm also gonna go in with my shampoo, and I'm going in with the Cantu. It's the Texture line by Cantu, and this is with apple cider vinegar and tea tree oil, and it is a soothing shampoo. This is one of my favorite shampoos. I've actually mentioned this in my favorites. I absolutely love this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it while on camera right now, and then I'm just gonna go and rinse all of this out. So this is how easy it is to apply this shampoo. You see, it's very sudsy, like immediately. But you just go ahead and put it in your braids, and it's so easy to do it outside of the shower because you just look in the mirror and do it, and you don't have a whole lot of like drippage. You don't need water. It's a little bit more runnier than a normal shampoo, so you can literally just wash your hair outside of the shower. So that's why I'm like, okay, I can wash my hair right here for you guys. So this is really great for braids. If you have braids, I love this for my natural hair, but if you have braids or any type of protective style in, this right here, get right up in there, girl. And the last thing that I like to get, you guys know, with that edge control, we get kind of crazy up in here, and then makeup and stuff, so just make sure you get in that edge. That edge. Gonna look a little crazy right now, but when I go wash this out, it's gonna rinse all the way down, and we're gonna be good to go. My hair is tingling, and I love it. This shampoo, like I said, y'all, I love this shampoo. It smells good, and it give you that little tingle, especially when you got braids. You be trying to feel some type of tingle, okay? So I got the tingle going. We got the shampoo in our head. We got the tea rinse that we've done in my head already. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out right now, and then I'm gonna come back, and then we're gonna continue with the process. So I will be right back. All right, y'all, I literally just rinsed it out, and I put this towel on. I wanted to let y'all know how I put the towel on, because you know I got butt length braids. I'm just gonna reenact it for you, but this is my hair. My hair is all in this towel. Like, let me show you. So basically, I just put the towel the long way and then rolled my hair in it, because I wanted a regular towel, because you really want to make sure the water is coming out of your hair. Like, you don't want no water to stay in your hair when you have braids. So a regular towel will definitely do. You don't need no microfiber, nothing like that. And I just put the towel like the long way, you know, like this way. And I put that at the back like that. And then, you know, twist it up and stuff. But anyway, this is how my hair looks after I have rinsed that out. And you can see it already looks a lot better just because we washed it. Like, it has laid so much of that hair down. Okay, so moving on to the next step. You guys know I'm not an oils person. I'm not big on oils. But when you have braids, you need some type of oil. But I have been loving the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil water. You guys have seen me use it for my wash and go, but I think this is perfect for braids. Like, so perfect. As soon as you rinse out that shampoo, you need to add that moisture back to your hair and your scalp. And since this has a spray top on it, it's easy to get that in there. So I like to go ahead and hit my scalp with the oil water. And y'all, it feels so good. It comes out cool. I don't know if it's the bottle shape, but it comes out really cool, like the temperature. And I like it. And as you can see, it's adding a lot of shine. Y'all see that? So I spray this all on my scalp, and I try to get it on the places where I know my hair is as well. So just about right here, I like to spray. Clearly, I don't spray the ends of this hair because this hair is not about to get my good product, okay? Y'all, my hair just eats this stuff up. Of course, I work with As I Am, so this was sent to me. But y'all know I am so honest. If it don't work, it don't work. But I love this stuff. Like, it's so good. And also, another quick thing about this oil water, because I know you guys are so confused about like what it is, but it's also good for your skin. So I do like to just spray it on my face when I get out of the shower. Like, it's literally water. Like, you guys can see, it's literally water. So you just rub this into your skin and let this just kind of seep in. I have been loving this. If you guys are not familiar, like especially if you have oily skin, it's really good to put a nice light oil like on your face for moisture. And this spray has been really good. As you can see, my face looks super like moisturized. And once this get into my skin be looking glowy. I know a lot of y'all saying I look glowy lately. I mean, I'm happy and all, but it ain't just me. So I did want to kind of mention that as well. I don't even think that it says that it works good for your skin, but y'all, when I tell y'all, it has been doing my skin justice. This has been doing my skin justice. I don't know if it's the oil, the water, the nanotechnology. I don't know what it is, but it's so bomb. So the next step in the process, I do want to add like another layer of moisture, and I'm gonna just go in with Kinky Curly Knot today, and I'm just gonna spray some of this in my hand. Now you can spray it to your hair, but I wanted to go ahead and apply the top part with my hand, and I'll spray the rest. But I want to really coat my braids with it to make sure that some of the hairs stay laying down. Now you don't want to put too much leave-in conditioner on your hair because you don't want your hair to be weighed down or weird feeling. You want it to be airy and feel like your scalp is still clean. You don't want to clog anything or make your scalp feel dirty or anything like that. So don't go ham with the leave-in conditioners. If you guys are wondering, I put this spray pump on my Kinky Curly Knot today. It doesn't naturally come like that. After you have moisturized, it is time for the styling process. Now you can just leave your braids like this. They are refreshed and they do look nicer like this, but if you want that extra, like I want my hair to look brand new, you're gonna need to basically kind of twist the hair a little bit more. And I like to use the Shine and Jam conditioning gel, and this is the extra hold. And this is kind of like it's a jelly gel jam. Like my braiders always use this. Well, some of them use this for braids and stuff. So I just purchased it. I like how it smells. I just like how it smells. So I was like, I'm gonna just pick it up. So with this, you want to go individual braids and just kind of redo them. I'm just gonna do the top portion right here. I'm not gonna go too far, but I'll do this end piece for y'all so y'all can see that one. Okay, so now that y'all up close and personal, all up in my skin, and see how that water just kind of melted right into my skin. Okay, I'm just saying, I'm just trying to put y'all on. Take some of the jam on my hand, on my finger. I like to put it on the back of my hand. You know how the braiders do, girl. You better get with the braided program. All right, and you just want to go ahead and apply that to the root. And I just like to kind of take the hairs that are like, I don't know, straggly, and just twist that around at the roots. And you can twist the hair, the whole braid around. Just kind of go down the braid a little bit just to get some of that smoothness on here. And I like to just go ahead and tuck it. And I forgot my clip, but you want to clip it. All right, so then you want to just take this clip right here, clip that in place, and move on to the next one. Like I said, I'm just going to do this front section, and we're going to call it a day, friend. So I have quickly applied all that Shine Jam to my roots, and just did a little twist to every last one of them. And then I went ahead and pinned them back so that we can do some edges. I'm just going to go in with my Silk Elements Edge Control. Listen, y'all can use whatever products y'all want to use for this that are comparable to what I'm using. I'm just showing y'all what I would do if I was you. But you ain't got to do it, sis. You ain't got to do it. So I'm just adding this edge control to my edges. And since I washed my hair, I got more edges out too. So I was like, ooh. And I'm trying this new edge brush. This one's by Evolve. And I heard some good things about this one. So, oh, that is good. Oh, it just swoops everything. Oh, these bristles. These bristles on this one is so good. I got so many edge control, like edges, things like this. Y'all want to see a battle of the edges things? Dang, this edge control with this brush is locking everything in, y'all. Let me go do a close-up and get my edges together, and I'll be back because I'm too far from the mirror right now. So I have to redo it, and then I'm gonna do my edges, and then I'm gonna come right back. Okay, you guys, so now that I have my edges all done and all those clips out, I want to go in with the foam. If you've got your hair braided, you've already seen all the braiders add foam to your hair, and that's because it gets rid of a lot of those flyaways. Even though I did do my roots over, you can still see a few flyaways, so we just want to make sure they're gone. We just want to make sure they're gone. So I like the Nairobi. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm an OD with a foam. Like, it's hard for me to find a really good foam. Nairobi really does well for me. So I'm just gonna do a few pumps and go ahead and just put that at the top. I realized that I want my part on this side, so you kind of want to know where your part is when you're adding the foam. So I do want a side part. All right, so from here, I just like to take my Dyson, just try to dry my hair. I've already dried kind of the ends of my hair a little earlier, but you just want to make sure that you are drying your roots completely. Now, I could sit under the dryer, but for the sake of this video, we're going to do it with a blow dryer. So I want to go ahead and do that. All right, you guys, so I did go ahead and sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes just to make sure that my roots were really nice and dry. And this is pretty much the final result. As you guys can see, my hair looks a lot nicer, a lot more polished, a lot cleaner, and the frizz has just gone away. I can switch my part up and there's no frizz underneath. So all is pretty good. This gives you another week. Do not keep doing this for a year or nothing. Don't do that because you're gonna have dreads at the top, sis. Don't try this at home multiple times. This is only a one-time refresher thing throughout your protective styles, and you shouldn't have to do that anymore. You should be good. Make sure you wrapping your hair at night with a satin pillowcase or a bonnet. I got a few different bonnets that are pretty long. You guys just go into the beauty supply store and you will literally see what I'm talking about. They have the ones for braids, for dreads, all that. So make sure you get a bonnet that fits your hair. But yeah, I absolutely love these knotless braids. My girl Styles by Destiny did them. I'll put her information below if you're in the ATL area. Make sure you check her out because these are bomb.com. I just love how they lay, and the fact that I could retouch them myself. Love, love, love. And y'all, I ain't even do the back. The back's still dusty, okay? But the front look good, and that's all that matters. I want to thank As I Am for sponsoring this video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.